Hey guys, welcome to the show. Now we are in the process of getting a sliding gate installed, and there's a few methods of doing this. One is we can run power straight from the living room and dig a trench all the way down there so we can pop the motor on that side. The second method is to cut the driveway and then we can lay down some conduit through there to get the motor on that side. And the third method, which is the method we are going to be utilizing today, is we're actually going to be boring, digging a tunnel underneath the driveway. We're going to be using an air pressure pump drill to get that conduit through there.
Right now he's just selecting which width he wants to choose because we have got a narrow area, so he's chosen the smaller one and he's going to come through ready for the boring. Right now they're just using that, I guess it's like a horizontal pneumatic drill, which is just basically they laid a pipe behind it and now it's just going automatically under the driveway. The guy uses spirit level to keep it nice and straight, and we're just waiting for it to arrive on the other end.
Hey, it's a boy. Pretty much the way it works is they use this kind of like missile, which is heavy. They get it down and they just let it rip. Obviously they can control it, and luckily for us it just went straight. There was no rocks to bounce it away or anything like that. It went straight. Oh!
Oh. How many kilos is it?
It says 34 kilos on it, but it feels heavier than that.
Schwarzenegger over here, man. Yeah. So they got the hole. The hole's now been dug, and they're going to use that hole to put a pipe through and leave it there for the electrician to feed the conduit through when the electrician comes. This is how we're going to get gate power going through underneath the driveway.
It's clever, isn't it?
That's a big pipe.
Oh my goodness, wow, that's awesome.
Hey.
Oh, look at that. There you go. That's it, that's it. Yes.
There you go, guys. If you guys need an amazing boring work, check out SWAT Contracting. They service the Gold Coast and where else?
Oh, anywhere we need to go, mate.
Anywhere we need to go is what you need to do with SWAT Contracting, the best borers in town. You have a boring job. But yeah, today we've laid down some pipe to hopefully run some conduit to get gate power on the other side of the driveway. Let me know how you guys are doing it out there in the world, where you guys are doing from. If you're interested, check out SWAT Contracting. Unsponsored video, but they did a great job. They cleaned up after themselves. That missile was heavy. Oh man, it's like 35 kg. It was good though, good workout. I felt like I did a lot of my forearms, so I need to be working out a bit more.
You know what, I loved it. I loved it so much that I would actually want them to just drill loads of holes in my whole garden, even because I don't even need it. I just feel like, you know, it's fun just watching it go. And wouldn't it be funny if you had like a little camera, like you said earlier, a little camera attached to it so you could just watch it going through the holes? I think that would be awesome. But yeah, I just want them to come back and lay loads of boreholes. Come on, Ash, let's dig some more holes.